To add transitions on Google Slides. Start by opening your presentation and selecting the slide where you want to add a transition. Click on the Transition tab in the top menu bar. This will open the transition pane where you can choose from a variety of transition effects, such as fade, slide, and dissolve. To apply a transition, simply click on the transition effect you want to use and it will be applied to the selected slide. You can also adjust the transition duration by clicking on the timer icon and selecting the desired duration. To add a transition to multiple slides at once, select all the slides you want to apply the transition to by holding down the Control key and clicking on each slide. Then, click on the Transition tab and select the transition effect you want to use. It is also possible to add transitions between slides in a specific order. To do this, go to the Slide menu and select the Reorder Slides option. Then, drag and drop the slides into the order you want them to appear. Once you have the slides in the correct order, you can add transitions to each slide as needed. When using transitions, it is essential to use them sparingly and only when necessary. Too many transitions can be distracting and take away from the content of your presentation. It is also important to choose transitions that are relevant to the content of your slide and do not clash with other visual elements. In addition to adding transitions, you can also add animations to individual elements on a slide. To do this, select the element you want to animate, such as a text box or image, and click on the Animate tab. Then, select the animation effect you want to use and adjust the animation settings as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use transitions on Google Slides to enhance your presentations and engage your audience. Remember to keep your transitions simple and relevant to the content of your slide, and do not overuse them. With practice, you can create professional-looking presentations that effectively communicate your message.